Alexandra was one of the top associates in her company. Her numbers of sales increased every single quarter, achievements that were sometimes missed by her superiors. Her work ethics, however, were recognized by her peers, noticing that she usually was the first one in the office and sometimes among the last ones to leave. After being with her company for 13 years, Alexandra submitted her letter of resignation. She received an offer from D.E. Tinkerbell Enterprises that not only saw her as an asset to their company, but they were also willing to invest in her. Included in their benefit package was an incentive of 100% education tuition reimbursement, a benefit that caught Alexandra's attention. This benefit gave employees the opportunity to improve or develop their skills, and it also gave them the option to go back to school and continue their education. Major disadvantages of losing a top talent like Alexandra is that the company now has to hire someone in her place. The extra resources needed to spend to also train that person. The morale of the finance department was also greatly afflicted by the departure of an employee that everyone knew and they loved. Stories like Alexandra is one of the major issues that is facing many institutions today. It is the inability to retain its employees. Why are employees leaving? Employees do not feel appreciated by their companies. Other corporations are enticing local talents with better benefits. Employees no longer feel the need to be loyal. One of the tools that companies can use to improve employee retention is offering education tuition reimbursement as a benefit to its employees. Now, why this particular benefit should appeal to the company? It builds the employees' morale. It encourages them to develop and improve their skills, thus making them more confident and more productive. Employees will also be more loyal. If the company is willing to invest in them, employees will have a stronger desire to stay in the company, investing their newfound skills back into the company. This program will also allow the company to save money. Tax breaks. The IRS allows employers to deduct funds spent on tuition reimbursement from their taxable income. Employers can also exclude their tuition program reimbursements from an employee's wage if the employee is enrolled in either undergraduate or graduate courses. When companies understand how to apply tuition reimbursement program effectively, they can also use favorable tax policies to invest in their employees without reducing net profits. Another way that companies are able to save money, they do not have to spend money hiring new people outside. Employees that go to school to learn and develop new skills are not only equipped to do their jobs, but they are now capable to train other employees within the company. This program is also a great incentive to recruit top candidates. It is an awesome perk for top qualified people looking for a job. This program can also be a deciding factor when candidates are considering similar job offers. It shows candidates that the company is interested in their career growth. Studies that were conducted by Cigna Corporation, it showed that their education reimbursement program improved the bottom line. Every dollar that the company puts into the program, it returns and it generates an additional saving. The study also showed that Cigna's ERP program not only increased career opportunity, but it helped employee retention. In conclusion, education tuition reimbursement, you build the morale of the employees, you make them more productive, and it increases productivity for the company. Tax breaks, eliminating the need to hire outside, allows the company to save money. Finally, education tuition reimbursement gives the company a great edge over other companies when it comes to hiring top candidates. Employees stay where they feel valued. Taking the initiative to invest in them will also make them invest back into their company. That relationship itself seals the success for any institution.